has curated a workshop for all of you. Chaitra Ma'am is an English teacher working at Chitrakuta NDH branch for about 12 years. 12 years of experience for your age level topic she has chosen. I want all of you to take the benefit of this workshop. All right? May I know what is the topic? Which topic are you learning now? Yes, spend smart and be grateful. Isn't it a wonderful topic? Do you want to know more how to spend and how to be grateful? So with a great round of applause, let us welcome Chaitra Ma'am to conduct the workshop. Louder. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So are you all excited to know what we are learning today? Yes. I'm sure you all know the topic as ma'am already introduced. Yes? Yes. Sure.
Differentiate between needs and wants, and to show gratitude and spend mindfully with what I have, and how to save money, and I like the way that you explained it.
Thank you, Chaitra.
Ma'am, I learned how to spend money thoughtfully. I learned what I need, and I learned what I want. I learned my gratitude, and I learned everything what I need.
Great.
Between wants and needs, and I learned we should share and give things with needy people.
Yes.
I learned that to differentiate between needs and wants, and we should not be jealous with others and that what they have, and we should spend our money wisely.